Hello and welcome back. We're going to run over how to create a Facebook page, and I'm also going to use my brand for example as Let's Learn to Market and how to build out a Facebook page and kind of all the necessary steps to make sure you have it in place here. So I always look it up this way: just Google just Facebook page, and you'll see this as the first result almost all the time. Just create your Facebook page. Click on this. It makes it very nice and easy to do it from this way. Where you are going to name it, we're going to do Let's Learn to Market. Category, I'm going to put marketing inside of here. Advertising and marketing. So mostly what I talk about, so I'm going to keep that as is. Bio, let's just put as, I'm just going to make it very easy and say we will teach you everything you need to know to market your business online. Just going to start off there, not going to really add too much to it. Just going to start there to kind of influence where it goes from there. So let's create our page. And this will all load. It'll start to formulate. The biggest things we're going to need is kind of like this profile picture here, which I have a couple that I'm going to use, but also I'll show you some different things too. Looks like it's also having us finish up the page. So let's add that inside of there. So let's learn to market. But you could also make this for a lot of different things also. Don't fill this out if you also don't have it. Like for this mobile number, I'm not going to put my mobile number inside there, but I do have an email. Also, if anyone on is reading this wants to market or reach out, you could use this as well. Just support. Location, we're not going to put inside. No business hours. Perfect. That's what they get for next year. So look out for this page health down here as well. You want to try to max that as much as possible, just kind of helping out Facebook in its eyes know that you're kind of a legit business inside of here too. Let's add a profile picture and a cover photo. I'm going to do a profile picture just because I already have these. I made these in Canva, but I'll show you how to make a cover photo very easily. Okay, so I added my Learn to Market with the nice M inside there. Now let's look over at the cover photo, and what tool I'm going to use here is Canva. Perfect. So we're over here in Canva. You can even see my old thumbnails I have inside of here too. We're going to create a design, and we're going to look up our Facebook cover. Perfect. And I can see a landscape, but we're going to look for this Facebook cover. This will be exactly what we need inside of here. And then let's try to find something inside of here that will work for us, or just create your own. I'll probably spend a little bit more time than I should to create this just because I feel like it's kind of fun sometimes. But I'm going to pause and then I'll come back once we have a cover photo. So this will probably change a million times, but I'm going to start off here, which is create a marketing ecosystem, which is kind of matching how I'm going after my landing page here as well. So this will make sure that's kind of transferred over. So we're going to give this a try. We're going to download this. It's very quickly, it's easy to download it. And then we'll move over to Facebook and I'll upload this and I'll kind of show you what everything looks like. So it didn't line up actually exactly. I did have to kind of fiddle with this just a little bit, but then it kind of lines up very nicely there. You see this circle also, so make sure to kind of use that as a way to figure out. You could also maybe even blend the two together. I'm okay with just leaving it like this. We're going to add an action button. Sure, let's try moving this around. So it's going to be send a message as a default. All we want to really do now is just learn more, or just kind of watch now. Opens the website of the video. We're just going to do learn more. We're going to add my website inside of there. So let's learn to market.com. Perfect. Plug that in and all very nice. Let's move on. Perfect. Now it's going to ask connecting your WhatsApp. I do not want WhatsApp inside here. I'm going to skip. Going to skip inviting people to this page. We're going to do it next. And now we want our page notifications and emails. We want all of that just to have. And that is it. Now we have a fully functioning Facebook page inside of here. So we'll run over a couple different things. Also, this will post immediately to your profile. So if you want to hide this, click on these three dots and you can just hide this post inside of here, hide from page. So now there's nothing on my page inside of here. You could also customize as much as you need to in front of the site. If you need to customize the details, do so through there. You could also connect this to a business account, which I'll look over next. You could create the about page, make sure everything's good inside of there. You could do some reviews. You could even customize what you're going to show inside of here as well. Edit the action button, all very nice and easy inside of here. But if there is something you just need to know, just keep searching around here, and there's most if not everything online too. But we're going to move over just once you have this page created And also, if you're kind of following on in the course so far, now I need to upload this to our business account. So we're going to do that next. Okay, so we are on our Let's Learn to Market Facebook account inside of here. I am going to go, it says adsmanager.facebook.com. So we're also going to go down to bottom left to our business settings inside of here. Also, if you've not seen this part of the section so far, go through my YouTube or on this on my website. You'll see a different video about how to create your Facebook Business Manager. This is what this is. This is also set to connect it to a Facebook page. It makes it very easy. We're going to go to our pages inside of here under accounts. We're going to hit add, and we're going to add a page. And we're going to type in our page name. So let's learn to market. There it is. We'll select that and we're going to add the page. And because you're already an admin, it'll automatically do it for you. And then you're all good to go. All right, I think that's about it. If you do have any questions or anything along those lines, please comment below and I'll be sure to respond to that. But that's about it. Thank y'all.